Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME 11 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. At first, enter the settings, then find and select password and security, click on fingerprint and select continue. At first you have to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be numeric, alphanumeric or pattern. I will choose pattern. As you can see, you have to notify that lock screen password cannot be forgotten, because you will no longer be able to unlock your phone or view phone data. So, as you can see, it is important to remember it. Click on continue and now draw the unlock pattern one more time just to confirm. And now it's time to enter your fingerprint. As you can see, your fingerprint sensor is located on power button over here, so all you have to do is to keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And that's it, click on done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only, just like this. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.